Two cups warm milk.
Half tablespoon of yeast. Three cups of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. Half cup of melted butter. Mix until all come together. Now knead the dough with your hand for 2 to 3 minutes. The dough should be soft. Cover and rest for 1 hour or until doubles in size. Dough has doubled in size. Roll and cut to 7 pieces. Make small balls. Place in baking sheet and brush with butter. Bake at 350 F for 30 minutes. Soft and delicious burger buns are ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.